Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block someone on PayPal app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your PayPal app, and once you open your PayPal app you will end up in this kind of interface. So after this you need to tap on the wallet option, which will lead you to the next interface. So once you are here, all you need to do is go in the search bar and type in the name or email address of the person you want to block. So once you have searched in the name or the email address, you will get this kind of option where all you need to do is simply tap on the name of the person. Once you tap it on, you will end up in the profile section of that person where you can find the block option. Simply hit the block option and then you can again tap on block, which will now help you block the person on PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.